friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Now in this video, I will be explaining you that how to rewrite Tally data from old version to new version. As you must be aware that Tally is having various versions, okay, like Tally 9, then Tally ERP 9 and then Tally ERP 9 with GST audit enable function, which is the latest one. So if you are having the old version or your data is stored in the old version of Tally ERP 9 and now you want to convert your data or you want to copy your data into the new version, which is the latest version with GST and audit enable function. So what is the procedure involved? Okay, so first of all I would like to say that rewriting Tally data is not a big deal. Okay, so but still you may face or there are some few circumstances that ought to occur during the rewrite procedure, like your data may get corrupt. So you have to follow the procedure accurately. There are only two steps involved by which you can rewrite the data from old version to new version. Okay, so what is the procedure? Again, I would like to explain that Tally itself is having various versions and you can rewrite your Tally data from old version to new version very easily. Okay, so what is the steps involved? First of all, go to Tally navigation page. Okay, I will go to Tally. Okay, so here I will come to gateway of Tally. After coming to this page, just press F1, that is the select company option. I will press F1, select company. Okay, now I want to copy the data. So just open the file in which you are having your data. Okay, so now here I am having my data which I want to copy. So I will go to that particular company and I will copy the data. Okay. Okay. I have pressed Ctrl plus Alt plus V, which means paste the company. Okay. And I will press enter. So they are asking me something that we need to convert your data to open it in this version of Tally ERP 9. Okay. I would like to explain it again that once I come to gateway of Tally, I have to select the company. Just select the company, okay, and press Ctrl plus Alt plus R. Okay, you don't have to press Ctrl plus Alt plus V, which is the paste option. Okay, you have to press Ctrl plus Alt plus R. If I press enter, so they will ask me something, that is we need to convert your data to open it in this version of Tally ERP 9. Okay, and I have to say yes. Okay, if I say yes, then they are again asking me that whether you want to back up your details. Again I have to say yes. As I told you earlier that rewriting your data in this procedure, your data may get corrupt. So it is very necessary for you to back up the details. Okay, yes. After I say yes, my rewriting procedure will go on. Remember that rewriting procedure is divided into three phases. There are three phases: phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Once your all phases are over, your rewriting procedure is successful and you can run your Tally software into the new version. Okay, so my data will now run into the new version. My rewriting procedure is going on. So before this rewriting procedure is going on, I will again explain you that what is the procedure. Open Tally, don't select the company. Okay, yes, now they are asking me that convert the base currency symbol from rupees to rupee. Yes. Okay, I will press enter as they are telling me. Okay, I will explain you again. Open Tally, don't select any company. Just press F1. Then press Alt plus Ctrl plus R. This is the key to rewrite. So it will ask you to select the company. Select the desired company for which you want to start the rewriting procedure. Now Tally will ask you to take backup. Make it yes. Tally then asks you to start the rewrite process. Say yes, and there will be 3 steps, 1, 2, 3 or 3 phases to rewrite. And after your phase 3 is done, your rewriting is successful. And you can see then into my latest version of Tally, my company is being opened. Now open the company and it will run. But before opening the company or before starting the accounting, just check it once that whether all the details have been migrated. Okay, I will just see once. Okay, I'm not having much expenses or much transaction in this particular company, but still I will just see it once that whether all transactions are being carried out. Okay, so yes, everything is being copied. So this was all about rewriting procedure. Tally is having various versions. You can rewrite your company from old version to new version, and you can access all the latest functions of new Tally ERP9 by rewriting procedure. Okay. So this way I am able to rewrite my company, and my new company or my company is being run into the new version of Tally ERP9 with GST and audit enable function. Thank you friends for watching my video. Do subscribe my YouTube channel to get all about GST, income tax, tally and accounting related queries. By my videos, I am trying to explain you all about tally, GST, income tax and accounting. Surely you will be benefited. Thank you so much for watching my video.